Is your Siri not working on your Apple Watch? This usually happens due to internet issues, microphone problems, or incorrect settings. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to solve the Siri not working issue on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Enable Siri. First, open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Siri. Then tap Listen for. To enable Siri, select Siri or Hey Siri or Hey Siri. Solution 2. Change spoken response settings. Before doing that, make sure that your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone. Then grab your iPhone, open up the Watch app, select My Watch from the bottom, scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Siri, scroll down again, tap Siri Response. Now select Always On from here. Hope you got the proper solution to solve your Siri not working issue in your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Till then, stay tuned.